This is Will with EGM, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change the start-stop source on an i550 Protec drive. Okay, so when changing the start-stop mode, it's important to remember that sometimes the jumpers will need to be changed. These jumpers are typically marked on our electrical diagrams. To change to a local start-stop mode from remote, you will push the enter key to go into the groups. Go into group 4, and then go into 400.xx, scroll up until you get to 400.12, and change that parameter from 0 to 11, and push enter. After pushing enter, push it again, and hold for a moment until the parameter says p.saved. Okay, to change to remote start-stop from local, push your enter key, scroll up to group 4, go into 400.xx, go to 400.12, and change the parameter from 11 down to 0. Push enter again, and hold it for a moment until it says p.saved.